Hi, greetings from Khalid. Welcome to Fiverr case tutorials. Today I am going to show you how to backup and restore WordPress website with free plugin. When you are running a website for your business or any other purpose and suddenly it is crashed, it can be a threat to your business, data, reputation and safety. That's why it's important to backup your website regularly and gain ability to restore it rapidly in case of any incidental failure or crash. So I am showing you how you can backup and restore a WordPress website using Updraft Plus plugin. Showing right away, stay tuned. Welcome back to the session on WordPress website backup and restore with plugin. Each WordPress website works with some resources like core WordPress files in WP content folder, WP configuration files, and WordPress database. Here, the most vital part of your specific website and data lies in WP content folder as well as database. Your website may crash or face data loss due to a lot of reasons, including hacking attempts, user error during site maintenance, plugin update, server register, etc. So to protect your website and data, you should have the following facilities at least. Number 1, automate your WordPress backup. Number 2, quick restore facility to ensure your website safety and security. Therefore, in this video, I'll show you step-by-step backup and restoration process for your WordPress website. So watch the video until the end without dragging. In step 1, I'll install Updraft Plus plugin. In step 2, I'll make a backup in local server, and in step 3, I'll make a backup in Google Drive. Step 4, remove some data and plugins like it occurs incidentally, and then showing how to restore the website. So let's get started. This is my WordPress website. At first, I am going to install Updraft Plus plugin. To install the plugin, let me log into WordPress admin dashboard. Select plugin, click on add new. Now search for Updraft Plus. Click on install now and then activate it. So Updraft Plus plugin is installed. That is, step 1 is done. Now showing how to take a backup of website in local server and remote drive in step 2 and 3. To take a backup, go to Updraft Plus settings. Check for backup and restore tab, then backup manually at first. Click on backup now. Tick on include database and tick on include files in backup. Click on backup now. It will make a backup of your complete website content and data. Now the backup is finished. To have a look on this backup, it appears in the backup list here, so that using this backup you can restore the website easily. So our website backup in local server is successful. Now I am showing you how to take a backup in remote location like Google Drive for your website. For backup scheduling, go to Updraft settings. If you want to make an auto backup schedule, you can keep file backup schedule as weekly or any frequency from the list. And here I want to retain last 2 weeks backup on time. For this time, let me take a manual backup in remote location like Google Drive to show you the backup process instantly. So I am setting Google Drive for remote backup, as in case of your server failure, you can restore the complete website and database using Google Drive backup. I am checking the email sending option to get acknowledged on backup occurrences. Click on Save Changes which save your auto backup scheduling also. Authenticate your Google account for backup permission on Google Drive. I am authenticating my Google account. To complete setup for Google Drive backup, press Complete Setup button. This is the list of existing backups. Now backing up in Google Drive, click Backup Now. Click on Send Backup on Remote Storage, click on Backup Now. So remote backup is in progress. Now the backup is done on Google Drive and it appears under existing backups list. Under existing backups, right side, there is Rescale Remote Storage option. It is very important for you to know how to use Rescale Remote Storage option. So don't miss the following points on the slide. How to use Rescale Remote Storage option. We also have another video on WordPress website backup and restore using cPanel, so that you can easily restore your website in case you can't log into the WordPress admin dashboard even. So if you need it, you can follow the link below this video. So in third step, I used to show you how to take backup on Google Drive. Hope that now you are sure how to take backup on Google Drive. Well, now in step 4, I am going to remove some files and plugins like it could occur in a failure. And then I will show you website restore process. So let me remove some files. Go to Media Library. I am removing some images here. This image is used in some posts. Now removing some plugins. Select the plugins to delete. apply, delete. So some components of the website is removed. Now, before browsing the affected website, let me clear browser cache so that we can have a fresh look of affected website. To clear browser cache, go to History, clear browsing data. Now browsing the website after some of files and plugins removal. Here top banner is missing, picture for post on point of sales, POS software is missing also. That means some components is missing on the website after removing some files. Finally, in step 5 now, I am showing you how to restore the website using Updraft Plus as well as the backup on Google Drive. So, to restore the website, at first log into WP Admin dashboard. Provide your credentials. Log in. To get the backups for restoring the site, go to Settings, then Updraft Plus Backups. So our Google Drive backup appears in the backups list here. But if you have installed WordPress fresh copy here, use Rescan Remote Storage option to get the Google Drive backup in the list. Now tick on the backup you want to use for restoring the website with database, then click Restore. Here Updraft plugin gives you the options to restore all the website components like plugins, themes, uploads, other related files and database. So tick on the components you want to restore and click Next. Downloading backup files from Google Drive. Download plugins, download themes, download uploads. Retrieving and preparing backup files. The backup archive files have been successfully processed for restore. You can explore some database tables also on restore. Now press restore. So the restore process is in progress. Verifying, restoring database, plugins, themes, so on. Restored successfully. Pretty well. Therefore, it is the complete process shown before you, describing how to take auto and manual backup as well as restore the WordPress website using the Updraft Plus free plugin. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial. For more videos like this, make sure to subscribe this channel and get in touch with more awesome upcoming tutorials.